Hi, this is Brianna with video journal number 3 for EDAD 612. After learning about master schedule, one ethical dilemma I think that might come up as a future administrator would be the needs of my special ed students and making sure that the special ed student schedules align with their IEPs. To do that, I would meet with case managers and special ed staff to review each individual student's IEP and place students in classes based off the IEP as well as the expertise of the case managers and special ed staff, guaranteeing that every IEP item as well as the students' needs are met throughout their class schedule. A second dilemma I think that might come up would be staff equality and staff equity, and making sure that the student population is spread equitably across staff members, and that no one teacher ends up with all the behavioral issues or academic issues while other teachers have none in their classrooms. To do this, after initial scheduling, I would review each class roster before finalizing it, looking at the amount of academic or behavioral issues and different student groupings and trying to balance them as much as possible. Another ethical dilemma I think that would come up would be just the needs of the student body in general, and making sure that the needs of every student in the student population are met, looking at their academic needs, their social needs, any behavioral aspects for each individual student, and creating a flexible schedule that would meet their needs, as well as, and I would do that also by staying flexible and realizing that the students' needs can change throughout the school year and not sticking to one rigid schedule, and realizing that if there is an issue, that the schedule can be fixed, can be moved around, and things are flexible to meet the needs of the students at any given time.